So you guys know Persona 3 Reload, the song that plays during the night, Color Your Night. It's a pretty lit track, you know. But I'm here to tell you that this may not be the first time you've heard that song before. Let me explain. So obviously you guys are aware, it's composed by Atsushi Kitajo. Kitajo has done a whole bunch of work since Persona 4 Golden, yeah? Obviously, great composer. And it looks like some of his earlier work he's referenced and he's let it bleed into Persona 3 Reload. You guys have already figured it out by this point. But Color Your Night sounds a lot like a particular song that plays in Persona Q2, New Cinema Labyrinth. So let's take a look, shall we?